Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, in the last video we have seen that Poe was making the medicine for the author, right? She was getting up at 4 o'clock and she was doing all the work so that the nose bleeding problem of the author can be improved or stopped. Okay, now we will start with section 2. Now children, what is happening here is that it was very difficult to make drink 3 times a day after meals. Okay, now जो मेडिसिन थी ओके वो कितनी बार देनी थी 3 times a day. एक दिन में 3 बार. ओके, एंड दैट टू आफ्टर मील्स. मील्स मीन्स the time when we eat our food. Okay, what all times we eat our food? At what time? Yes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, mainly 3 times. Okay, so after all the meals, after especially this 3 meals, the author has to take the medicine. But it was a very difficult task. बहुत difficult task था वो. Why? Because the dark brown liquid made from all the herbs, okay, the liquid was of which color? Dark brown liquid. Okay, and it may be like that कि उसका जो टेस्ट था वो बहुत बिटर था, बहुत कड़वा था. आपके साथ भी होता होगा ना ऐसा, like when you don't like a medicine because of its taste, है ना? Now let's see why it was such a difficult thing. Okay, I'm sure it was the most horrible tasting medicine. Okay, so the medicine was horrible in taste. Horrible means very bad. Okay, बहुत गंदा taste था उसका. So it was so horrible that anybody has ever had to take, means किसी ने भी आज तक ऐसी medicine taste नहीं की होगी. I was only 2 years old and was way beyond reasoning. Now, beyond reasoning means it was way beyond, means way above to reason. Okay, वो reason भी नहीं कर पा रहा था, means कोई reason भी नहीं दे पा रहा था author that why he can't take that medicine. Okay, it was so bad. Now it took Poe great effort and patience to get the medicine carefully prepared. Now it was a hard work. Okay, great effort means बहुत मेहनत लगी. Effort डालना means to work hardly. Okay, and patience means very calm way, peacefully करना. Okay, so it took a lot of effort and patience for Poe. ठीक है, Poe को बहुत effort और patience से काम करना पड़ा. For what? For preparing the medicine carefully. Okay, so it took Poe even greater effort. इससे भी ज़्यादा एफर्ट कहाँ लगे? ग्रेटर एफर्ट मीन्स इससे भी ज़्यादा एफर्ट, इससे भी ज़्यादा वर्क कहाँ करना पड़ा पो को? वेयर? To actually manage to get the yucky liquid into that stubborn little mouth of mine 3 times a day. So the effort, actual effort कहाँ लग रहा था? To get that yucky liquid. Yucky means very bad in taste. ठीक है, जिसका टेस्ट बहुत गंदा होता है, that is known as yucky. Okay, so yucky liquid was that bad tasting medicine. Okay, so it was a difficult task. It was very difficult to manage to put into that stubborn little mouth. Stubborn means जो अड़ जाता है ना, जो बिल्कुल ज़िद्दी होता है. So the author was very stubborn. Okay, he was not opening his mouth to put the medicine inside in his mouth. ठीक है, वो mouth open ही नहीं करता था. He was very stubborn. Okay, so 3 times a day Poe used to do this thing, this hard task, perform this hard task to put that yucky liquid, to put that bad tasting medicine into the author's mouth thrice a day. So after 8 months, okay, after 8 months of great efforts, the author was completely cured. Cured means he was completely fine. Okay, improvement हो चुका था उसकी health में. Okay, so Poe on the other hand had lost about 20 pounds. Beta, pounds is a मेजरिंग यूनिट. ओके, जैसे किलोग्राम होता है, मीटर होता है, किलोमीटर होता है, ऐसे ही पाउंड्स होता है, मेजरिंग यूनिट. सो पो हैड लॉस्ट हाउ मैनी pounds? 20 pounds. ओके, बिकॉज शी वॉज वर्किंग सो हार्ड. उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की थी, तो इतना काम करने के कारण उनका वेट कम हो गया था. Though we returned to America after 1 year, Poe and I have met many times since then. So children, after this incident, okay, after being cured, the author had returned to America. Okay, वो अमेरिका वापस चला गया था आफ्टर 1 year. ओके, मॉम कंटिन्यूड टू गो बैक टू ताइवान फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म टीचिंग असाइनमेंट्स. ओके, सो द मॉम ऑफ द ऑथर went back to Taiwan for her teaching assignments, means teaching work. Okay, teaching के काम से वो ताइवान जाती रहती थी for short time. Short time means, short term means for short period of time, थोड़े टाइम के लिए. She took me with her at least once a year and we got to spend a lot of time with Poe on each visit. So at least once a year. Once a year means once in a year, साल में एक बार. Okay, at least once in a year author used to visit and meet whom? To Poe. Where? In Taiwan. Every time we came back to the States, our suitcases would be overflowing with food, clothes and toys that Poe had bought for us. Now children, what happened is that every time they came back to the states means the United States of America. Okay, America को the states भी कहते हैं. So when they return back to America, their suitcases, ठीक है, वो तो पहले छोटे suitcases लेके जाते थे, मतलब उसमें स्पेस होती थी, बट जब वो वापस आते थे, so their suitcases would overflow means फुल से भी ज़्यादा, जब कुछ भर जाता है. ओके, दैट इज़ नोन एज ओवरफ्लोइंग. So overflow with what? With food, clothes and toys. Who gave them? Poe. Poe used to bought all these things for them, for their mother, for the author's mother and author himself. Okay, why? Because maybe nahi, obviously she used to love the author a lot. Okay, ऐसा आप लोगों के साथ भी होता है when you visit to your relatives, राइट? जब आप आपके रिलेटिव्स के घर जाते हो एंड व्हेन यू रिटर्न बैक टू योर होम, दे गिफ्ट यू विथ मैनी थिंग्स, है ना? रिटर्न में आपका बैग जो रहता है वो और ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाता है, बिकॉज दे मे गिव यू क्लोथ्स, फूड एंड टॉयज और मे बी अदर थिंग्स, राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ द ऑथर ऑल्सो. पो हमेशा उन्हें गुड क्लोथ्स, फूड, टॉयज और अदर गिफ्ट्स के साथ रिटर्न करती थी. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज हाउ वी हैव सीन टिल नाउ. यहाँ तक हमने देखा कि वॉट ऑल थिंग्स पो हैव डन फॉर द ऑथर इन ऑल दीज ईयर्स. ठीक है, इतने सालों में पो ने उनके लिए क्या क्या किया. एंड द ऑथर यूज टू विजिट पो वंस इन अ ईयर. ओके, हमेशा साल में एक बार तो वो उन्हें विजिट करने जाते ही थे. नाउ वी विल सी next part of our story in the next video. Okay, so children, have a nice day.